Hi there, Sherry here from Side by Side Enclosures. We're here today with the Polaris General 1000 4-door. We just got done designing the cab for this. When you receive your enclosure, you'll receive it rolled up. You'll have two bags, one for each side, for storage bags that you can use later. And you'll get self-adhesive Velcro to install along the roll cage here. And then you'll have your choice. It comes by default with Velcro to attach to your doors. You can also choose pop rivet snaps, which you have to drill and pop rivet in, so you'll get the snaps and Velcro. And you also have a choice of a self-adhesive 3M snap, which you don't have to drill. They will just stick to your doors, and you'll also get the Velcro. So when you get your enclosure, the first thing you're going to want to do is take rubbing alcohol and clean the frame. Everywhere where you're going to have Velcro, you're going to want to clean the frame. That'll get any oily substance off of it. And then you'll want to, we'll give you some tubes, a tube of adhesive promoter. And you'll want to just rub it's clear, but you'll want to rub the adhesive promoter all along where you're going to install your Velcro, which is all along the cage here, and then if you're going to put Velcro on your doors. So once you install that, you'll get two rolls of Velcro. You'll get a roll of Velcro that has 1-inch Velcro, and then you'll get a roll of 1/2-inch Velcro that'll fit along the frame here because of the way the Polaris frame is. We made this with just Velcro so that it doesn't have to wrap around the roll cage anywhere. So that all the lock and ride systems will work with it, and it doesn't interfere with the seal. You'll see on this one it has a different type of windshield that actually wraps around the roll cage. If you have this, you'll want to send us measurements on where your cuts need to be, and we'll make cuts to go around them. And what you'll do is you'll measure from the top bolt here in the roll cage up to your first one, tell us how wide it is, up to your second one, tell us how wide it is, and we'll make cutouts to adjust for the windshields. Also, same with mirrors. If you happen to have mirrors that mount up here, the mirrors that mount down, these seismic mirrors, they mount down here on the roll cage. The enclosure works just fine with them. You just kind of tuck it underneath. So once you have that all done, you'll install your 1/2-inch Velcro all along your roll cage and down the back. So at that point, you'll unroll your side, and you'll see the front door will actually zip the whole way out. So just to make it easier, I'll go ahead and unzip this front door. It's less weight and it's easier. So then what I do is I actually start at the back, because you can see where this back corner is. So I'll start by attaching the back and down the sides. Once you have that done, you can start stretching your enclosure and attaching the whole way up to the front. And as you can see, we made the cutouts to go around these window clamps here. So this will come down and go around the window clamps. And then this one tucks underneath this mirror. And you'll want to get back in there and get that attached. And this is a very aggressive Velcro. I mean, once it's attached, it stays really well. You can see we can pull on it, yank on it. So you'll go ahead and attach. At that point, we already have the Velcro installed on this one, but you'll see where you want to attach Velcro. If you go with the Velcro, if you decide to go with snaps, same thing. If you go with the snaps, what you want to do is take a piece of, if you go with the pop rivet ones especially, take a little piece of masking tape and put about where you think, or a duct tape, put a little spot where you think it's going to be. Then you can pull your enclosure down and push on it, on that snap. And when you pull it up, you'll see it made a mark in your tape. That's how you know where to drill. So, as you can see, I don't smear it with Velcro. I put just little tabs. So you'll put your little tabs, and they're going to go basically right along this edge, the edge of your door here. So then you can just stretch it down and attach the Velcro. At that point, you can go ahead and zip your front door back on. You don't have to take it off when you install it, but it just makes it easier. So you go ahead and you attach your front door, zip it back on. And the same thing, your Velcro is going to go right along these edges. We give you plenty of Velcro, so you know, if you choose the Velcro option, we give you plenty. If you just use these little ones, you'll probably have enough to last you for a year or two. You will lose a piece here and there, but it works really, really well. And it's not your normal Velcro. It's very aggressive. It's like a hard molded plastic. So then you'll just go ahead and stretch your enclosure down to fit. And there you go. You have your full enclosure that quick. To open the doors, we get many questions on that. To open your door, you basically just unzip and the door will open. We'll also have, if you just want to ride with your door, if it warms up, there'll be straps. You can strap it along here and leave your door on. And once you get in, you'll just get inside. There's another pull on the inside. You just zip it back up. The back door, you'll unzip this way. You can reach in, open your door. It'll go forward. You can crawl in. Again, get inside, close your door, and zip it back up. If it warms up during the day, you can also roll this forward, and it'll strap right around your roll cage there, and that way it's there for you when you want to use it again. The rear door is not removable, whereas the front door is totally removable. You can just take it off. If it warms up during the day, you can just roll it up and stick it in the storage bag we give you. Again, this is Sherry Black from Side by Side Enclosures, www.sidexsideenclosures.com, or give us a call, 724-614-7660. Thank you very much and have a great day.